Today we have the 2018 Skoda Octavia VRS. This vehicle has done just over 60,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as voice control. On the right, we have assist and automatic headlights. To the left of our screen, we can access our radio, media, smartphone integration, and voice control. On the right, we have navigation, Apple and Android CarPlay, our vehicle settings, and menu. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with parking sensors. Just below our screen, we have our dual zone climate control, which includes heated seats on either side.